Hello folks, it's the Pace Chaser again. Welcome to another one of my videos. This is Grimsby. It's Tuesday the 28th of May 2024. Just at Riverhead Exchange in the town centre, looking at 19076, loading up for Bradley Park on the 12. And behind it you've got 19017, currently showing not in service. So we're just going to have a look at a few buses on this Tuesday afternoon. Volvo 21263 there, loading in Town Hall Street on the 3 to Morrison's. Here goes 19076. Next up we've got 26259. Alexander Dennis and Varo 200 MMC on the 4 to Morrison's. Volvo B7 Arale next. This is 21259, just terminating on the 7. YJ09 FWG. Enviro 400 next, 19013 on the 2. Two 26267 next, not in service. Goes 19017 on the 5 to Immingham. Just moved down to the other end of Town Hall Street, outside the Town Hall itself. It is raining quite heavily. We might have to knock it off in a bit because I'm getting wet and so is my phone, but we'll see how we go. The 26259 just setting off on its 4. There goes 21263 on its 3 to Morrison's. The 21259 has now gone onto the 8 to Cleethorpes Pier. So your 26256 just up there, loading up on the 4, sheltering under the portico of the Town Hall. 19007 just pulled onto the stand for the 10 to Waltham. Just terminated on the 250 from Hull, 26265. So obviously some delays. You've got 26273 there on the 9. That should be about 15 minutes apart from 19007 on the 10 there. Obviously they're both here together. There are quite a lot of roadworks taking place around Grimsby at the moment, so presumably causing traffic delays. So here goes 26273 to Waltham on the 9. And here goes 19007 on the 10 straight after it. Next up we've got 26256 on its 4 to Morrison's. Just back in my usual spot, I've managed to find a small tree to shelter under. 19015 arriving there. Hopefully I'll get it when it goes back out again. My phone has got water on the screen, it wouldn't start playing. So we've got 21275 next on the 6 to Iberswood. On George Street quickly, we've got 26271 in 250 livery there, showing not in service. I'll get you a decent front view of the one I missed, 19015, there we go. Next up we've got 26269 on the 4 to Cleethorpes Pier. Council minibus up next, LN66EYW. Mercedes-Benz, not quite sure on the bodywork. Oh, it's Mellor, it says on the back. It's a Mellor body. Enviro 400 up next, 19013 on the 2. Another one just terminating on the 5, 19052, MX56 FSA. (26275) up next on the 3 to Morrison's. And 9 to Waltham next, 19009. And back round for 21275 again on its 6 to Iberswood. 26265 next, just setting off back to Hull. And next up another one of the 250 branded ones, 26271, not in service. Here comes 19013 again, and it's 2 to Euro Park. Apologise if you're getting some wind noise, we've got quite a gale blowing up now. See if I get the front end of it this time, 19015 on the 12. So we've got buses both ways now. First of all, we've got a Volvo on the 9, 21270. If we flick round, 26270 on the 4. I'm going to leave it at that because I've been waiting for Mrs. Percy Chaser and she's just behind me now. So thank you for joining me. Take care, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.